Hello guys, so this is a quick video on how you can deposit in Deriv from Binance account. So as you can see here, we only have 0.43 USD here. So first step, we have to go to this deposit section, click on deposit. So this window pop up. So as you can see here, there are a lot of methods to deposit, but we are going to deposit from crypto. Then we select in Litecoin. So here we are going to deposit $170. Next, and here you can see they give us a Litecoin address to deposit. So what we do, we copy this address and go to our Binance. As you can see, I already have a $170 worth of Litecoin. So what we do, I tap on withdraw, put your address here. I'm going to skip this part, okay. As you can see here, we successfully withdraw our Litecoin, and it's in processing. Let me pause this video and we'll come back once this process and came into our Deriv wallet. We are back, and here you can see our withdrawal is completed, and it took around 3 to 4 minutes. And let's go back to our yeah, as you can see, our $170 appeared over in Deriv account. So this is a quick video on how you can deposit from Binance to Deriv. And if you are a beginner on trading, join our Telegram group, link in description.